2018 Yamaha Bolt before Ivan flash. So this is a cold start. There's nothing to the bike. I'm about to take out the ECU. So we're gonna turn it on. Here before and after. So this is the before. Miles. Got the aftermarket LEDs. Okay, so I'm gonna do something that's gonna probably annoy my neighbors, but there's this, the loud popping that is regular with the Yamaha Bolts. So Ivan says that it's gonna go ahead and take it away. That popping on deceleration when you're switching gears or when you're leaning off of the throttle. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop it right now. You'll see it just pops super easy. Okay, so it didn't pop that bad, but what tends to happen is when you're switching in between gears, it'll go ahead and release this loud pop. But I don't know if it was able to hear it in the video. It popped a couple times. But we'll see what happens when the flash comes in. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the ECU right now. If you can see, all you gotta do, it's recommended that you take off the battery, but you don't have to. But that's what I'm gonna do, is just go ahead and release these two clips, remove the ECU, and then there's a form that you have to fill out before sending it over. Then once you go ahead and send it over, he said that he'll have it to you back in 2 days once he's received it. So we'll see how this all plays out. Again, 2018 Yamaha Bolt, 6,000 miles on it, about to do the ECU flash. Have a VO2 intake, BASSANI 3.5 cut/performance exhaust, and we'll see how it sounds once I get the ECU back.